I was ranking #1 on Google, and I discovered ChatGPT had never heard of me. That moment completely changed how I think about findability. I've spent 20 years leading marketing, and I genuinely didn't see this coming. So I want to share with you what I found, what I tried, and how it changed for me. The thing that finally clicked for me was this: SEO gets you ranked, AEO and GEO get you cited. And those are not the same thing. AEO, answer engine optimization, is about structuring your content so AI can actually pull it as a direct answer. GEO, generative engine optimization, is your visibility across all of it: ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. You can be #1 on Google and completely absent from a ChatGPT response. I know because I've been there. Here's what made me stop and pay attention. 60% of Google searches now end without a single click. AI referred web sessions jumped 527% in just 5 months. And when AI answers a question, it cites a handful of sources, not 10 blue links, just a handful. So the game isn't getting a page one rank anymore. It's getting a seat at a much smaller table. When I started testing this, the thing that surprised me most was how much specificity matters. AI ignores vague language like minus, we help organizations communicate better, but something like, I help mid-size healthcare marketing teams reduce patient acquisition costs through AI-driven content strategy. That's the kind of thing that gets cited. The more specific and direct you are, the more useful your content is to AI. It sounds almost too simple, but it works. So here's what I did. I picked the question I get asked most at work. I wrote a 200-word answer, direct, no fluff. I added a question-based heading and my credentials and published it. Then I searched for it on ChatGPT. All this just took me 30 minutes. That's it. This is your proof of concept. I really wish someone had flagged this for me 12 months ago, not because SEO is dead, it's not, but because this window to build early authority won't stay open forever. So I'm curious, when you search your own expertise on ChatGPT, are you showing up? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what you're finding. And if this was useful, subscribe. I'm here every week.